large in that one, not large in this one. Good fellows. That's it. Let's get out of here. I don't know if you watched my last video about the biker bag, but this is exactly the kind of stuff I was doing with that bag, or was trying to do with that bag, and failed. So like I could get my food in, stuff for work, and biker stuff, and camera gear for recording. And see, now I could pack my shit in here. I just bought some stuff. Obviously I gotta toss this shit out, because I'm not going to need the wrappers. Okay, I'm about to go meet up with these guys at the diner. Toss this in their garbage real quick. Bye-bye, garbage. I got to start working on the bike. Change the levers out. Change the grips out, change the foot pegs out. I have all of them, just haven't had the time, man. Like I said before, between work, family stuff that I got going on, it's been a little difficult, and there's a lot. I'm gonna whoa, thought there was a stop sign for him. Guess I was wrong. There's some things going on at home that has been stopping me from making videos as I would like to. Stopping me from editing, stopping me from getting out and making the videos. And I guess I'll tell you all about that at a later date, because it's not fun to talk about. Well, here we are. We're at the diner. Almost missed the entrance. Where are these boys at? There they are. I just spot these guys like, look at these two fools. Yo, let me get a 5 bag. They roll up the windows on me. These assholes. I'm trying to buy a 5 bag. Let me get a dime bag.
Dime bag? Fuck, I ain't no drug dealer.
You guys out here parked under the shade and shit. I'm like, these must be drug dealers over here. Let me get some drugs. Shit. Is this a park?
Yes.
Okay. He's drowsy.
Oh, that's nice.
What?
That bag.
I got like 2 of these bags.
That's nice. What is this?
It's a bag. What do you mean, what is it? It's a low pro bag. Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Yeah, he ain't gonna fix that up. Did it crack?
No, it didn't crack, but it scratched the fuck out of it. Look.
Let me see.
And the top of the helmet and the top of the bike is scratched too.
Sorry.
Alright, we just got out of the diner. Whew. And my boy needs to change the brakes on his car. So I think I'm gonna tag along with these guys, help them change the brakes on the car, because I don't have anything to do today. So like I was saying before, the restaurant guys, I know what brings viewers to my channel, and I know what gives me subscribers. Like say for instance, the when the Lowrider S, the two Lowrider S's came out, the Lowrider S and the Lowrider ST came out, I went out and I did walk around videos of those two bikes. Now I have a small channel, and those bikes gave me at least 2,000 views per bike. And when I did the Pan America, that Pan America video probably did like 3,000-4,000 views. So I know what videos brings viewers to the channel and brings subscribers to the channel. I just haven't been able to get out to go make those videos. And I'm not gonna kill myself to try to get out and make those videos. As much as I would want to, I can't. So that's why I also started a Why Wednesday, because those videos I really want to do, I can't do. So my channel, yes, of course, is going to suffer. I'm not going to get the views, I'm not going to get the subscribers that I would normally get from a test ride video, a first rider impression video, a group ride video. Those views I won't get on my channel. So I right now I'm delegated to just doing probably I don't know, talking head videos and these kind of videos right now, until I can get my situation sorted out a bit. But yeah, I know what people want to see. I just can't give it to them at this particular moment in time. Trust me, I want to do these test rides. I want to go out and do the demo rides like what Harley has, what Indian has. When Harley and Indian had their demo rides, if I was able, I could have jumped on that right away, and I would have gotten views and I would have gotten subscribers from those videos. Because when I check my analytics, I see, and you can also look at the videos and tell what videos are popular on my channel. The first rider impression videos are popular. The walk around videos of the new bikes, anytime a new bike drops and I can get a video of it as soon as it drops, that will bring me views and subscribers. So I already know what brings me views and subscribers. I just can't do it. I just can't get out to do it. It's between work and what's going on at home, it's been really difficult to get out and do it. I gotta stop for some fuel. As much as I like doing this YouTube, it's not a full-time job for me. It's not a job for me. It's just a hobby. I don't make any money doing this, and I spend a lot of money buying equipment to make these videos. I find, and I think I have a video coming out on this too. I did a video my first year in review of my YouTube channel, and I found I spend more money in equipment trying to make videos and improve the videos than anything else. Because obviously, if you have less than 10,000 subscribers, you don't make money from YouTube. You're actually spending money on YouTube. You don't make any money if you have less than 10,000 viewers, 10,000 subscribers. So I've been spending money trying to make the videos better. So it's not like I'm not trying. Ladies outside cleaning out for bikes. I'm going for a ride. Me and my husband. My situation might get better next year, so I might be able to get out next year and do a lot of the videos I missed this year. As soon as the new bikes drop next year, I might be able to do some of those videos, hopefully. Alright, let me shut up, because we're about to head to a friend to get some tools. So we're gonna go get these tools, and I'll hit you up when I get there. Alright, we got the tools from Dual's house, and we're getting ready to leave here right now. Alright, we at the house. Freaking dying in this helmet. Oh my god, I'm suffocating. Oh god, fresh air. Oh my god. Oh, we at the house. Yeah, ready to do some work on this car. He wants some help changing the brakes. I'm helping change the brakes. And I'm gonna call that a day.
Really?
Yeah. Front end, shit. That's the only part we got to the car. The ending. That's good. Alright, so now
This goes here.
we should. No, it goes the other. Oh, team. It goes like this. This way, actually, is more sure. You want me to turn the steering all over the outside? Is it locked?
Oh, it goes the other side. On top, like how you said. It doesn't go down like that. It goes on
if
top.
it does, it will fall off.
Yeah. Luckily, we got the other side that's exactly
Because
like
I'm like,
this side.
nah, they can't go like that. He's like,
Oh,
yeah,
that's
it goes
the
like
plan.
that.
Well, that's what I got you here for.
Exactly. Word.
You know?
Exactly.
Now you can talk all his shit, but you here.
Just gotta cut this.
Come on, you watching or what?
I am.
You smoking or watching?
Yo, relax.
You gotta do my car next.
And then it just stopped. Like, look.
Shake
And it
it.
stopped.
Shake
it
it
a
a
little
little bit.
No, the rotor. Shake the this.
There we go.
What are we eating tonight? What's for dinner?
Eggs Benedict.
I would have Eggs Benedict.
For dinner, I'm gonna have sleep.
Hold on.
Somebody needs to go to
Come on.
Wegmans
Hold on.
and get some good beer.
Come on.
I think I'm thirsty now. I think I got everything.
What about my tires, man? They're good, right?
Yeah. You don't got that little measuring thing?
No,
But
got
next time you go to the Flying J,
You got a corner?
it. Flying J. Oh, to buy one.
Take
no,
sorry.
what's up with
Sorry.
you?
Take the jacket and move your foot. Watch this.
lower, lower.
You gotta turn this shadow on. It hasn't been turned on for a while. Make sure the key's in it. It's on the it's on the trickle charger. Alright, let's start this car. Let's bike up.
Thin as shit.
That's why I like it.
And we gotta put this shit together? You got tools for this shit?
Well, it's 3 things. That's too big. It's an 8. I was. Okay, take it for a ride.
Well, the bike is coming along. It looks pretty good. I guess you will be proud of this bike. Alright guys, I'm gonna close off the vlog. This was an unorthodox vlog. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. If you made it this far into the video, I want to thank you all for watching. And remember, keep your eyes on a swivel. Keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up. And I will see you in the next video. Peace!